is Miss Vanessa, and we're going to do a very fun plant project. The materials we are going to need for this project are a blank piece of paper, markers, crayons, or colored pencils, glue, scissors, and labels reading roots, stem, leaf, and flower. I'm using markers for this project, so first I'm going to grab a brown marker to draw roots. Roots can be found at the bottom of a plant. Next, we are going to grab a green marker to make a stem and a leaf. The stem is the long green part of the plant. Then, we're going to draw our leaf. This part of the plant holds the nutrients. Finally, we will design our flower. I want my flower super colorful, so I'm going to use different colors, but you can do it however you like. To label. We are going to take our label and glue it above the dotted line on the left side of the paper. First, we're going to grab the word roots and paste it at the bottom of the paper. Next, we have stem. We're going to glue it and place it right above roots. Next, we have leaf. We're going to glue leaf right above stem. And then finally, we have flower, and we're gonna glue it right above leaf. Once we are done gluing our labels, now it's time to cut the dotted lines. So we're gonna grab our scissors and cut the dotted lines across under each label. Now we're at the finish line. Now we're going to take our labels and fold it across the dotted line that is running down the middle of the paper. Do this for each label, all the way down to the word roots. And there you have it, guys. We made our own personal plant flipbook. I hope you enjoyed, and thanks for watching. Bye.